Hey, on this website you can make $1,000 a day. Yeah, this is so simple to make money online with these simple steps. So, watch this video till the end to make this handsome amount and receive it on your favorite payment gateway. Without further ado, let's get started. But wait, if you love this method, drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update. And if you are worried about you don't have a PayPal account, so don't worry about this. This method you have more options to get paid, and if you want to make a PayPal account, so go to Google and type PayPal and provide your basic details and boom, your account is created. Now everything is set up. So let's jump into website. This website which we are going to use today to make serious amount of money in your PayPal and bank account. Use our social media to boost and get followers on that. Yeah, so for that you don't have to own your followers. You don't have to any investment in this method. Only you have to make a serious amount on this website with simple steps. Yeah, awesome embracing world panel. This website is going to pay us. They are providing 0.12 second order and made easy. Yeah, that's so fast, and they have completed 8,000 orders, and their price starting from very low. And here you can see that they are providing handsome amount of services. You can get here YouTube subscriber, Twitter followers, Facebook followers, Spotify playlist are followers, or TikTok followers, and Instagram followers. Yeah, that's so simple and get your followers in pennies, and they have full control on that, and they are easy and safe to use. Yeah, this panel is 100% safe to use and 24 hours available services. Yeah, that's so simple. So click here services and go to this page. Now you can see here that they are providing more services like their YouTube homepage views and homepage that are giving us the rate per thousand is $3.50. Yeah, that's so rate, and minimum is 300 you can get from this, and maximum is 10,000 orders. Yeah, you can get bunch of followers on your Instagram account and YouTube subscribers and Twitter followers and TikTok followers and many more social media accounts. Yeah, that's so simple to get. Yes, you can see there more services like YouTube watch time 4,000 hours in 30-day refill. Yeah, if your watch time is dropped down, they will refill your watch time to get your channel monetized. Yeah, they are giving you $10 per 1,000 hours. Yeah, so here you can help those YouTube channels their YouTube is not growing. You can give them their services. And here is more. YouTube full monetize pay for 1,000 watch time hours and 1,000 subscribers with like and comments and refill. Their amount is very low and minimum order is 1,000. Yeah, here is bunch of more services like YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and many more. They are giving us a huge opportunity to make money online. I show you this website to use these services and give benefits to people to grow their social media. So here I am going to show you how you can sell these followers, subscribers, likes to people. So here you can see here fiverr.com. You can click here and write Instagram followers, and here you can see that people are providing many services. So here you can see this seller is providing 50 and $50 services with a minimum followers. Yeah, here you can see this providing $30, $50, $25 and 55, even $200 per one sale. Yeah, if he made 5 sales a day, he can make $1,000 per day. Yeah, people are making money so easily from this website. And the one bonus website which I'm going to show you to give you a handsome amount and get paid in your PayPal account, this website, Social Tradia. Yeah, this website which you are going to use to sell Instagram accounts and followers. Yeah, here you can see this seller is selling 77k followers in this huge amount, $800. So here he is providing 3.1k followers in $125, and he is providing $80, $90, $85 and 115, 385, 100 and 295, and this website has many more things. Yeah, you can also make these amount in your account. And the bonus tip which I going to provide you is that you can make your Instagram different accounts and get followers on that with your own money. With simple $10 to $20 investment, get 10 to 20,000 followers on there and go to Social Tradia and sell it on that. Yeah, you can sell it on Social Tradia with these simple steps to get paid, and you can also get your net income in $80 to $100 per sale. Yeah, you can do that easily. And here you can see filter categories, and you can see here thousands of category they are giving us, that YouTube views, YouTube monetize safe, and we look for monetize channels, and AdSense premium monetize channel, Facebook monetization, and Instagram followers, likes, and IG auto package, and reels, Twitch, Pinterest, Telegram, Snapchat, SoundCloud. Even this social media is new here, and they are providing us this. And if you sell these SoundCloud services on Fiverr and other, you can make more money on that. So that's all for today. If you have any doubt, you can comment down below, and if you love this video, like this video, share this video with friends to make them financially free, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to never miss any update. So thanks for watching. I will meet you in the next other way to make money online. Bye bye for that.